Hey everyone, if you guys are ever looking for professional tax services, check us out at BLACKSTARTAXES.com.
Hey everyone, so let me fix the camera. Okay, so okay, all right, now that I got that on my system, there is a new scam, guys. There is a new scam. Now, I think that this organization is actually a scam on top of a scam. And what I mean by that is I think that this organization is obviously a scam that's preying on scamming customers, but customers that are trying to scam Instacart. So to me, this looks like a double scam to me, because
these are the stores. Instacart's right here. Price limit is 1,000, so meaning that I guess that's how much you could order at a time, or I don't even know. Then items multiple, so I guess it means it's multiple electronics per order of probably $1,000 max. Fee, that's the fee that they take out. Region is obviously where this happens, and yeah, okay, so they do this, they scam all these other companies as well, or they try to like get refunds from all these other companies as well after a customer makes a purchase, and this is how much they charge. And anyways, that's all I have to say for this, and that's how much they charge, and this is crazy. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So I don't know, I mean, for it to be just a useless scam, it seems like they have a really pretty set template. So let's just get back to the video now.
Because the services that this company is offering apparently are services that customers could already do on their own. So I'm not too sure why customers need to pay this company a fee to get these services done, but whatever, it is what it is. So let me just go ahead and insert a couple of screenshots. You guys could take a look, and then we'll take a look at them together. So okay, welcome back. So I just wanted to say that this is definitely not Instacart's fault. I do not believe that it's their fault at all. It's the customer's fault, okay? They're the ones who are doing this. So let's take a look at this first order right here. So this order is 7 items. The item subtotal is $742.05. Let's look all the way at the bottom. The customer happiness refund. So customer happiness is customer service. So customer service decided to give them an $830 refund. Okay, so they essentially got this Apple Watch right up here for $46. 10% discount, anybody? Apple Watch, they have Apple charger, some markers, a speaker, I don't know what that is, another speaker, and some soap. What, to wash themselves after they finish scamming? Let's go ahead and look at the next one. So this one was one of the most disappointing ones I've seen, because if you're gonna scam, okay, if you're gonna scam for something that is valuable in your life. You're scamming for alcohol, $632.37, and the customer happiness refund is $745.71. First and foremost, guys, listen, I don't know, is this really how much whiskey costs? $200? Who would pay for that? I mean, not who would pay for that. Who would buy that? Rare whiskey is $100. This is a ridiculous order. This is just nonsense. This is like, what? Of all things, if you're gonna scam. Let's look at the next one. The item subtotal. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. I made a huge mistake, my bad. So the alcohol came to $721.44. There was a $4 alcohol service fee. This was almost $800 on just booze. They paid a total of $40 for apparently all of this specialty booze. And the $745 was for this one. Power Pro Beats earphones. And then Apple TVs. Who even uses Apple TVs like that? Who even uses that, to be quite honest? Oh my goodness. Absolute, it's just crazy. Absolutely crazy. Let's look at the next one. The items total was $1,037.52. They had a whole bunch of taxes. Customer happiness gave them $1,168.65. So if they got this whole order for $0, they paid $0 for this whole order. It's so interesting. Next one, $493.19. They got a refund of $562.21. Again, I love how when you know you're scamming, you buy the most expensive beer and the most expensive sparkling water. That's how you know. Absolutely crazy. They gave a $10 tip because they knew that they were going to take their tip back. These people are monsters. Absolute monsters. Next one, $425.97. They apparently have a discount of $10 applied. They get a total of $401. A $10 and 5-finger discount. Don't you love it when you can apply both of those discounts on an order? Then you have this one, and this person, this is how you know they're so arrogant. Look at the caption, free food anyone? It's a Costco order, $246.69. They got a refund of $234.83. Guys, I don't know how. If you haven't already downloaded Timestamp Camera, please go ahead and download that app. If you don't know what that is, download it right now. Okay, if you do this, if you do Instacart, if you do Amazon Flex, if you do any of these type of things where you can get in serious trouble for not delivering expensive orders or expensive packages, please download that app because you will definitely need it eventually. Please go ahead and do it. Because clearly these customers don't care, okay? Even if they see you, they don't care. Not all of them. Some of them don't care to disconvenience you. They don't think about you when they're doing this. They know that they're scamming Instacart, so they don't care, but they don't go as far as to think of how that indirectly can affect you or I. They don't think that at all. They don't think that far. They only think about themselves. So you need to think about yourself too when you're doing these deliveries. You need to think about yourself too when you're doing these orders. You need to have your back. Take your pictures, have your evidence. If you see something and it's sketchy, please use common sense, okay? If I have an order that has an Apple TV, I'm going to make sure that I physically hand that to the customer. I'm not going to leave that. The customer says it's contactless delivery. I'm going to call them and be like, sir, ma'am, you need to pick this up because it's an expensive item. I need to make sure that you have it. If anything, stand there, make sure, look at them, pick it up at least take a picture while you're looking. Do that. Okay? Don't let your guard down because you don't know who it could be. It could be the nicest person. It could be the person who shakes your hand, gives you a $10 tip. It could be anybody. Okay? We don't know who's doing this, but clearly people are doing this. And the worst thing about these scammers is that scammers have friends, okay? Scammers have friends. After they're finished scamming, they'll tell their friend, oh, you know what I just did? I just got a $300 order from Instacart. Yes, try it, do it too. That's what they'll do. They'll tell their friends and it'll just keep spreading. It will just keep spreading, and it's sporadic. So obviously you don't know when it's gonna happen to you. You don't know when it's gonna happen to you, but the thing is, it can happen to you. Understand that. That's probably why some people are getting deactivated and they don't know what's going on. I'm not blaming them. We all know it's the customer's fault, but please understand that, and please know that there are just some really messed up people out there, and they have no issue ordering $500, $600 worth of groceries if they know that they can just call customer service, get a complete refund, not even a credit, a complete refund, essentially getting it for free. They'll do it. They will do it. Even the most moral people out there, they'll do it. So please understand that, and please know that this is a big deal. It's obviously not something that happens all the time, but please understand that this is crazy, and there are groups out there. There are groups out there of customers who are doing this. Where did you think I found these screenshots? Where did you think I found these screenshots? There are forums out there where customers are doing this and they're bragging about it. It's not a huge issue, but it is definitely something that's happening. So please be careful, guys. Please be careful. Just take care of yourself. Yes, please, please have your own back. That is all I'm trying to say. And honestly, like, this is disgusting, but I guess you really can't stop them, right?